Assalamualaikum and hi. So today we're going to inspect the problem that this Ficus elastica had. So for the first step, if you look closely to the soil is in a healthy condition. But at the leaf, as we can see, there's a discoloration that happened. So we move to the step 2. As we can see that the damage is not affected to other leaf, but only 3 to 4 leaf that infected. And as we can see, the pattern of the damage is ununiform, typically affected by living factor, as example pathogen or even insect.
If you look closer, you will notice that the two of the leaf have this weird spiral-shaped spot on them. So in this case, the spots only appear on these two leaves, and we have been monitoring them, so the damage hasn't spread to other part of the plant or to other plant nearby. There's also a pretty clear line between the damaged area and the healthy tissue. Usually, when damage doesn't spread much and stay in one place like this, it could be caused by non-living factor, but there's something else to consider. Okay, these spiral spots are actually a common symptom of fungal infection. So fungi often create circular or spiral patterns like this, especially when the air is humid or the leaves stay wet too long. So even though the damage isn't spreading rapidly, the pattern itself tells us this is likely caused by a fungal pathogen, which is a living factor. So based on the slow development and the clear fungal symptoms, I suspect this Ficus elastica is dealing with a fungal infection, most likely due to humidity and poor airflow.
So for the last step, which is step 5, synthesize information to determine probable causes. Based on our observation, the affected leaf display a distinct spiral or concentric ring pattern. The pattern and texture suggest a progressive infection rather than mechanical damage or insect activity. So for the surrounding environment, is outdoor and may experience high humidity or moisture, which are favorable conditions for fungal proliferation. So based on our diagnosis, by compiling the visual symptom and environmental clues, the pattern match non-fungal pathogens such as Cercospora that causes Cercospora leaf spot, often producing circular to spiral lesion, and Cholesteatricum that responsible for anthracnose, which can create dark, sunken and ridge spot. Both fungi thrive in moist, humid conditions, especially if air circulation is poor. So for the conclusion, the most probable cause for the spiral lesion is a fungal infection, most likely due to Cercospora leaf spot or early anthracnose. The spiral or ring pattern is a diagnostic hallmark of such fungal disease, which attack leaf tissue and progress outward in a circular or spiral formation. For the suggested action, we can prune and discharge affected leaf to prevent spore spread. Or we can even apply a broad spectrum fungicide, example as copper base or neem oil, after testing on a small tree.